This can eat 4 larges and won't so much as even belch.
Poor men don't belch.
Oh, on the contrary.
All those clouds of dense black smoke belching
And belching platitudes since his arrival here 2 days ago.
Uniform outside a restaurant and tanner tips from belching.
Before parting, that's the rule.
Belching, whoring, and punching head.
The situation I'm in ain't the kind you can belch your way out of.
Alka-Seltzer. Cured them with one gulp.
The Belcher sea snakes, Norm.
A lawnmower and loves French fries. Some bitch can eat 4 larges and won't so much as even belch. I'm proud to have him.
Him staying here working out?
Prince for a good eater, isn't it, boss?
Poor men don't belch.
Oh, on the contrary, they do. It shows that you are enjoying a meal.
I've had enough of all that. Oh, I thought it looked very attractive. All those clouds of dense black smoke belching from the funnel.
I'll thank you all to lay off it.
Never mind, Chief.
Ultimately been stuffing himself with fried chicken and belching platitudes since his arrival here 2 days ago.
All right, can we continue?
Home at the end of your army service.
Home to what? A porter's uniform outside a restaurant and tanner tips from belching civilians for closing cab doors on them and their blousy women.
Melt. Oh, not again. Belch before parting, that's the rule.
A well-oiled machine for belching, whoring, and punching head.
¿Cómo estás, everybody? What was that sound? I didn't get that.
One good burp and you'll be rid of that Miss Castle.
The situation I'm in ain't the kind you can belch your way out of. I made a promise.
To Miss Caswell? What? You did what?
Alka-Seltzer. Cured them with one belch. But it was the plop plop fizz fizz.
Coming in here, saying whatever you want. You're up and belching at the table. You don't even feel
They're Belcher sea snakes, Norman. They're the most poisonous snakes in the world. Hello.
Oh, dear. My skin is so tight. I know I'd never get through there without belching.
Kids and plays for the symphonies and all that, right? All right, you belch every few minutes while you're practicing.
Okay.
You apologize to them, but you keep belching, you'll offend every sense.
We all but fools. They eat us hungrily, and when they are full, they belch us.
Up? Upward going bubbles gives a filthsome belchy burp.
But what's wrong with a little burp now and then?
I like it here. I hotwire a parked cab and stay under the speed limit.
I've been wedged in a van for 6 months, listening to that arrogant little prick belch, fart, and brag.
I pawned that years ago.
You hawked a Hattori Hanzo sword.
Like a bloated, gassy, like a belchy sensation. And I would get to the bathroom and like I would,
About that stove security. And the tunnel. How come you can't lay down a belch around here without them knowing it?
Look, if you don't like the way I'm handling this job, go get